Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the simple chicken shop inventory system. Here, let us show the demo first. If you execute the program, you can see gram and kilogram. 1 kilo of the chicken, I put the price as 500. Okay, 1 kilo chicken. So if you are buy 2 kilo chicken and calculate 2 kilo mean, you can get the price as 1000, right? If it is a 5 kilo, here it will be calculated as a 2500, right? Okay, now if you are going to calculate the gram, if it is a 500 gram, click here. 1 kilo mean is a 500. Okay, so it is a 500 gram is a 250. If it is a 100 gram, you can see the price. If it is a 300 gram, so see the price. So 750 gram, you can see the price. Okay, very simple. Okay, these systems are very essential when you are going to deal with the inventory management system. It's very must. That's why I have made this system. So let's see how to do the system step by step. So first go to the file. So Eclipse file, new Java project, Java inventory. Now here select this one, src, right click, new others. Under the Swing Designer application window, next, here I have Java inventory. Click finish. This is your project has been created successfully. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to make the attractive user interface, UI design. We have increased the size little bit. Okay, now here what I am going to do is here select this form. I am going to give the title as Java inventory. Otherwise you can give us chicken shop. You can give the name as chicken shop. You can say chicken shop, right? Now after that what I am going to select this here, select this frame, right click, set layout, absolute layout. So here you can drag anything else, right? So first I am going to drag the one panel. This panel I am going to drag. Select the panel and border default. I am going to give this one. Click OK. Right. Whatever border you can select, you can. I just select this one. Okay. So you have to select the border as this. This is the matty border. Okay. It's the best. Right. Now here what I am going to say, I am going to drag the select this panel, right click, set layout absolute, right. Now here first drag the label, select the label and drag it here, label chicken shop, press enter key. Here what I am going to click the font, bold, this one, we have to change it as this one, Rockwell. This is the best font, Rockwell 16. You expand it. So I feel to increase the font little bit, so 33. Right. So now here I am going to drag the label chicken. I am going to, this is chicken. You have to click chicken. That what I did here is chicken, right? Chicken. Right. Now here what I am going to do is here I am going to drag one combo box. This combo box I have to this model, right? I am going to gram and kilogram, gram after kilogram. Okay, now here I am going to increase the font a little bit as 20 press OK. Okay, here it's right. So here we have to select as bold, right, perfect. After that, what I am going to do is here we have to do this one, button and text box and list. Okay, so you have to put the button, press enter key. Here we have to font, I am going to change a bold 20. Okay, right. After that, what I am going to do is here total. So here label total, I will drag the text field, right, right, select this text field. You have to font, you have to select the font size as 16, right. Okay, that's the thing you have to do. Okay, now what I am going to do is here, if you are selected as a gram, you have to select the prices according to the what is the gram you are selected. Okay, so here we need another text field, so we have to get the same text field, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. This one should be the what is the gram or kilogram you are entered here. Okay, here, so here, right, help of your keyboard up and down arrow key and adjust this one. So select this one and adjust, right. Right, now what I am going to do is here, this is a calculator, right click, add event action listener, action perform. Right, here what I am going to do is here, I just go to the design, I just name this one, select this one should be the txt quantity. This is select this one, txt total, txt total, txt tot. Right, select this one, right click, action perform. Right, now here what I am going to see, here I am going to the same code, I just get the code right here, right. So here I am going to paste it over here, I just paste it over here, right. This is a class name, under the class name I am going to paste it over here. I need not this, we no need we only need the quantity double, we need quantity and option only we need. Okay, to have created two variables, double quantity string options, right. So here what I am going to do is here the same code, I just copy and paste it, instead of writing it take too much of time to complete the project. So I just copy it, paste inside the action perform of the button, right, CB option. So here what's the name, this I just quantity, this I just name it as a quantity, name it as quantity. Okay, this quantity, sorry, what's the name here, this one should be the txt option, I name it as CM option, combo box CM option. So option, this option, right. Cal, you have to write the cal, so you have to write the cal, double cal, you have to another variable cal, no, don't option, you have to write two double variables and quantity and cal, right, two are double variables. CB option, why it's not a problem, CM option, CB options, we have named it as a combo box CB options, right. So here what I did the code indicate what is the quantity. First quantity, what is the quantity you enter on this quantity text field, it check what you are selected on the combo box. CM option means a combo box name. Get selected equal gram. If you are selected as a gram on the selected item on the from the combo box, if you are selected the item from the gram from the combo box, what happens is calculate the, it will be calculate the calculation according to the gram. Okay, so here cal equal 500 means the 1 kilo price I have provide here is 500. Multiply by quantity, what's the quantity you are entered on the particular text field. Here this is the 1000 mean it is 1 gram 1000 kilogram, like this. Okay, 1 kilogram. So here you have to 1 gram 1000 kilogram. So you have to divided by what's the quantity you are entered over here, divided by the gram 1000. So you have to divide it like this. This is simple calculation we have used if the user select as a gram. If it is a kilogram, we no need them, it will be directly we have divided we have multiplied by quantity. The one quantity price will be 500. If it is a 2 quantity, 2 mean it will be calculated according to the what is the quantity you are given here. But here it will be multiplied what is the quantity according to the quantity you are given here. It will be divided by, get the price and divided by the 100. This is a gram calculation, this is a kilogram calculation. This is a gram calculation. Gram calculation. This is a kilogram calculation. Gram calculation, kilogram. This is a kilogram calculation. Right, very simple way. Okay. So let me execute the program and check whether. So after that, it will be calculate all the stuff, and it will be display on this text box, txt dot text box, right. So it will, when you get the result, it will be convert as a double. So you have to convert as a double. So it will be, you have to use the two string method. It will be calculated as a double. So you have to you have to paste it here, right. So you have to write 200 kilogram. It is a 2 kilograms is a price, 5 kilograms is a price. So it will be easy for do the programming. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.